Yo, what's up people? It's your boy Rita and we're back on the YouTube channel again. So today I'll be installing the Wi-Fi extender here at home, and I hope you guys are going to stay tuned so that you can see the whole process and what it takes to actually have your signal or your Wi-Fi radius extended. So stay tuned. So we're going to need a couple of things. First, we're going to need our extender. We're going to need our drill. This is what we're going to use to drill the holes for the Ethernet cable. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it. We're also going to need the tools, which is our Ethernet cable tester, the clipper, and all these other tools, including the wall clippers. So they asked me here at home to actually install this for them. So I actually sell these, this is my business, and I recently just got a request here at home and they asked me to actually install these for them. So before we waste any time or without any further ado, let's get to work.
Yeah.
So we have a problem, as you guys can see. You see? These things, they have to go all together. So there's a problem this side. So let me check. No, this side actually. Let me check again. So check. Yes, there we go. We have a signal. High five. Thank you.
Welcome.
ethnic people. That's what we're going to get
making monsters out of the women I sponsor till it all goes bad, but shit is all good. We do a party, yeah, we do a party. Bitches.
Let's try and check it if it's good. Let's try connecting to it and see what happens. So the name is Pix Link for now. Pressing again. Yeah. So as you guys can see, we have good quality. So that means the Ethernet cable is working and we have internet now. So yeah, see my hands. The result of this job. So now it's time for us to just clip it. Let's clip it.
As I reminisce, remember when I was a kid, always wanted to be rich. Dawg, they just wanna serve. They know I'm the way, they don't wanna learn. Dawg, I got kids, tryna cop my own wheel, maybe a crib. Dawg, they know what I'm worth. I'm putting in work, they been tryna curb. Dawg, hey, I'm putting in work, hey, hey, back on the turf, saving up for murk, hey. And I designer the shirt, pricey cologne, I don't gotta flirt. You say you got it, then I got it first, hey. I'm tryna get it on phone now. I want the Eminem. They don't listen when I'm telling them. Catching feelings is irrelevant. Ukalaksizi, my dog. Mina ngiyarepa ang na CV, my dog, yeah. You see how they treat me, my dog. Rest in peace to SK, hope you see me, on God, yeah. This life ain't easy, my dog. Hey, sometimes I skip it, my dog, yeah. Yeah, as I reminisce, remember when I was a kid, always wanted to be rich. Dawg, they just wanna serve. They know I'm the way, they don't wanna learn. Dawg, I got kids, tryna cop my own wheel, maybe a crib. Dawg, they know what I'm worth. I'm putting in work, they been tryna curb. Dawg, I've been patient for way too long. I thank God that He made me strong. I've been patient for way too long. I thank God that He made me strong. Yeah. They wanna ride the wave, wake up and decide to hate. I'm not going outside today. Negative energy far away. Hey, hey. Sizopopa nathi noma kunzima ukusithola twice. Ngifuna ukusithola nami, dala ngifuna ukuba ibhoza nami. Ngifuna ukusithola nami, dala ngifuna ukuba ibhoza nami. As I reminisce, remember when I was a kid, always wanted to be rich. dog. They just wanna serve. They know I'm the way.